What are the classifications of living things?
The classifications of living things are kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species.
What are the 5 kingdoms of living things?
The 5 kingdoms of living things are Animalia, Plantae, Fungi, Protista, and Monera.
What are some parts of an animal cell?
Some parts of an animal cell are nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, Golgi bodies, vacuoles, and mitochondria.
Perfect. What are some parts of a plant cell?
Some parts of a plant cell are chloroplast, cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, Golgi bodies, vacuoles, and mitochondria.
What are the major groups of invertebrates?
The major groups of invertebrates are sponges, stinging cell animals, arthropods, mollusks, sea stars, flatworms, roundworms, and segmented worms.
Good. What are the major groups of vertebrates?
The major groups of vertebrates are fish, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, birds.
How do animals reproduce?
Animals reproduce by live birth, eggs, and fragmentation.
What are some types of seed plants?
Some types of seed plants are monocot, dicot, conifer.
What are some parts of a plant?
Some parts of the plants are stems, leaves, and roots.
What are some kinds of leaves and leaf parts?
Some kinds of leaves and leaf parts are bud scales, bracts, tendrils, spines, needles, and bud scales. Wait.
No, one more. Same again.
Okay. Bracts, tendrils, scales, or bud scales, needles, spines, pollens.
Yes. What are some parts of a flower?
Some parts of a flower are petal, pistil, stamen, sepal, anther.
Good. What are some parts? What are some plant systems?
Some plant systems are photosynthesis, respiration, and transpiration.
Great. What are some parts of the earth?
Some parts of the earth are core, mantle, crust, biosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere.
What are the 3 kinds of rocks?
The 3 kinds of rocks are igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary.
What is each continent's highest mountain?
Each continent's highest mountains is Everest in Asia, Elbrus in Europe, Kosciuszko in Australia, Kilimanjaro in Africa, Aconcagua in South America, McKinley in North America, Vincent Massif in Antarctica.
Excellent. What are the 4 kinds of volcanoes?
The 4 kinds of volcanoes are active, intermittent, dormant, and extinct.
What are some parts of a volcano?
Some parts of a volcano are gases, magma, lava, crater, vents.
Good. What are 4 types of ocean floor?
4 types of ocean floor are continental shelf, mountain ranges, abyssal plains, and ridges.
What are 3 ocean zones?
3 ocean zones are baffle, photic, and abyssal.
What are some parts of the atmosphere?
Some parts of the atmosphere are mesosphere, thermosphere, stratosphere, exosphere, and mesosphere. Wait. So, troposphere, mesosphere, exosphere, thermosphere, stratosphere.
Perfect. Okay. What are the 5 major circles of latitude?
The 5 major circles of latitude are the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, the Equator, the Arctic Circle, and the Antarctic Circle.
What are some kinds of weather fronts?
Some kinds of weather fronts are occluded fronts, stationary fronts, warm fronts, and cold fronts.
What are some types of clouds?
Some types of clouds are cumulonimbus, stratus cumulus, cumulus, cirrus, and stratus.
Good. What are some markings on the globe?
Some markings on the globe are latitude, parallels, longitude, meridians, prime meridian, degrees, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere.
Perfect. Time for all that.